and today we're doing a double whammy. We are reacting to both Love Me Again and Rainy Days by V. How excited are you?
I'm so excited! This is honestly the first time that we've gotten really some good solo music from Tay, and I'm so excited.
Yeah, solo music that is not like an OST.
Yeah, on an OST or something like that. We haven't
solo his own.
Yeah.
So
I'm really looking forward to it. I think hold on, let me go back to because we discussed on our podcast on Thursday about all the tracks and stuff. So
listen, that shit came out like rapid fire.
Oh, I know. So the description for Love Me Again is a light and captivating R&B track with an alluring vibe that lingers long. V's signature baritone shines through in this track. I'm excited. And then Rainy Days. In this track, V's voice melds beautifully with the sound of rain and everyday white noises, tugging at the listener's heartstrings.
I can't.
I
can't.
Oh no. I'm so excited though. Both of these sound very much in Tay's realm.
Just the titles are oh yeah, I associate this with Tay.
100%. Yeah.
So we're gonna start with Love Me Again.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Do it.
Let's do it. Let's go. Oh.
Oh yeah, I saw the sparkly outfit.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh. Yes.
Knock me out right now.
Dead.
Punch me in the face.
Not okay. Not okay.
Has gotten so good.
Oh wow. Okay.
I ain't breathing.
Okay. So wow. First of all, his voice is incredible.
I'm tearing up.
I love this so incredibly much. His low voice is unmatched. Honestly, it's so good. And then when he soars into those high points, it's effortless. He's so good at that. Oh my god. I also really love this film aesthetic we have going on here because it's completely Tay. He would
having something a lot more retro.
Yes, very aesthetic.
Anything that's like movies, photography, it's very, very Tay.
Very Tay. And this R&B bass line at the bottom, oh, it's making me feel all kinds of things. I'm getting warm.
You know, how you make a stanky face whenever something is so good.
Yeah, it's this.
That's also why I'm tearing up because this is so beautiful.
It's
and,
so
I'm not sad. I'm not angry.
No,
I'm just this is too pretty to exist.
Oh, it's so good. How do I get this tattooed into my soul? Genuinely, I need to know. I need it. Oh god, yes. It's so good. His voice, the aesthetics, the sparkly clothes.
The arms.
They're out. How do I
But also, like, I almost fell off my chair. I swear the soulmates here, V-Men, always getting me off my chair.
Always getting me out, taking me out.
All right, let's go back in.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello?
Hello? There we go. Are they filming in like a cave?
Yeah.
What's going on here?
I was like, is this the cave? He brought back singularity, dude.
Yeah. With his mature voice though, so good.
You can hear, feel that he has matured in his voice. It is like his
100%.
low baritone voice.
Yeah.
So good.
So good. Oh, that run is so good. Ooh, I love the like.
Yeah, and like when like you just feel like you're swaying.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
I love his blonde hair. But you guys know I am very biased for his black poofy hair. Yeah. But this works really good.
It's so good. Oh, the like whine cry out of his voice right here is so good.
He's so delicate.
I love it.
He is so delicate.
Oh my god.
I love him so
Lord.
much. I love him so much.
Oh god. It's just so good. Like I have no words.
This feels like a lullaby for adults.
100%. 100%. It also puts me in that like, ooh, I'm about to have like a glass of wine and like dance around my kitchen type of, you know what I mean?
You know, kind of like dressing up for yourself.
Yes.
Making like yourself a very nice dinner with a drink.
Yeah.
Just for yourself.
Just for me.
Yeah.
Love it. And we didn't really talk about the lyrics, but like they're very, I don't know, there's something really beautiful about the idea of like
very
loving someone again.
But there's also like they're very simple in the lyrics themselves.
Yeah.
Like there's no like big metaphor or like something left too much to interpretation for like the listener.
Yeah.
It's just like simple to the point, very well executed.
Yeah. And R&B, like Tay's voice was built for R&B.
R&B, jazz.
Like, oh, that baritone, I cannot.
There's something about like a crisp baritone voice.
Yeah. And he's like mastered it. Like,
yeah. Because like for a lot of the time, like it's like in the K-pop industry, especially maybe not as much now, but definitely before, it's just like even for guys, it's like singing in a higher pitch voice was like very much a thing. And like having idols now just embracing their lower tones, like V,
so nice.
Yuki and Idol.
Yeah.
So I'm very in favor of this change. And I hope it just like gets embraced so much.
100%. I also just really appreciate how large of a range that he has.
That's the most insane part.
Cause like the chorus is not like that's in his chest and head voice. Like he's way up in the stratosphere for his vocal range. And I am here for he's with the astronaut.
He's with the astronaut.
Because we all know Jin, like he's got those high notes down to a T.
Oh my god, yes.
Listen.
Go listen to Take Two again, just to get Jin's ad-libs in the back.
So good. No, I loved it. It was like if this is what the rest of this album is gonna be, Bring it. I'm here for this. I am here for this.
Jesus.
I'm ready.
All right.
Number
So now we're
2.
gonna listen to Rainy Days.
Yes. I'm
Let's-
excited because
let's
rainy
do
days
it.
are my favorite kind of days.
Yeah.
So I'm excited.
Let's do it.
All right. Oh, of course, piano started off. Again, this film aesthetic coming back.
Hello? Eyebrows? Eyes?
Hands.
Yeah. Tay's hands. Also, this kind of hairstyle on him is
So good.
chef's kiss.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing how to find the way right back to you.
Oh.
Rainy days, like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 만나. It was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again?
I love Penny so much.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like.
Oh.
Oh. Smile.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the
Oh,
most?
whoa.
내가 이러면
Whoa,
자극
wait, pause.
없어도 let
I was not expecting this. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay, all right, hold on. Let me put my
I
thoughts.
froze there for a second.
I was like, where are we? I was not, hold on, I was not expecting that second chorus to come in like a truck out of nowhere.
Literally a truck.
Wow. Wow, musically, this is very interesting. I really like how in the mix, his voice is the most prominent thing. Like everything else is like really back in that mix, but his voice is like so forward and it sounds so good. There's like interesting things like this ticking that's going back and forth like a clock almost. Like it's like tick 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 like back in the headphones.
Yeah.
It's quite interesting. I like that. Of course, like the drum beat and the piano sort of like leading this like really I don't know how to put it. It's like
So far, this album sounds very dreamy.
yes, yeah, it's got this like essence of dream, and I think that's why the mix is so far back in comparison to his voice to create this like atmosphere at the top, and then we sort of just like concentrate on the voice, and you can definitely hear the like white noise and the rain coming through.
Yep.
It's so nice.
But also, just love that Tan isn't there.
It's so cute.
We love our boy.
Yes, I think he went on live this morning and was saying that this is because he was in Paris and couldn't bring Young Ken to Paris with him. So he had to use one of his friend's dogs that looks very like similar to Young Ten.
Yeah.
But to have him so heavily featured on this album,
Yeah, it's for me. It's just like this is like
it's
even
so
if
sweet.
it's not the tanniest, like so it's tanny.
It's Tanny. Yeah, it's so sweet. I love his voice in this one too. It's definitely like that mid to lower range area that we're sort of like dabbling in.
This verse just like hit us like a fucking train.
I don't know what's going on. But the first half is very this like melodic sort of like very like even tone, and then it like shifts immediately to this something else. It's really cool. I like what he's doing with this song, and visually I'm really enjoying the like I personally film like making something on film is one of my favorite things because it has this air of you only get like one chance to do something on film, right? Like you
Mhm.
can't in digital media, you can go back and you can film as many times as you want because you can see the footage like on the day.
Yeah.
Film, you can't. Like you have to wait for it to be processed and you have to wait for it to come back. And there's something really like beautiful about the impermanence permanent of film photography and videography. There's something so beautiful about it. And I love that Tay appreciates it so much and uses it as a form in this media. Like whether or not this was filmed on film, which I
Yeah,
honestly highly doubt.
This is like
But-
very much like a love letter to like his passions,
Yeah.
the people he loves,
Yeah.
and I'm
It's
here
so
for it. This is
beautiful.
like
I love
very,
it.
very Tay, but also just like overall very different from like anything
Yeah.
we've seen from
Oh,
any BTS member,
absolutely.
and I
Yeah.
love it.
I love the way that they're sort of like stretching themselves and really pushing the envelope of what they can do and what they're capable of is amazing to see. Like it's beautiful, honestly.
All right, let's
All right.
get back in.
Okay.
This life.
Like I love this like pause. We get this like flowery piano. Like
The
it's
smile.
so nice. I love it.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy
But
days,
what did the
like
bread do to you,
rainy
my guy?
days, I'm
Yeah.
thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like.
I like that he put his drawing.
Me too. Me too.
Oh, babies! Oh, not the remote.
I
Okay,
really
this is so good.
Oh,
what the hell?
I love this song. That whole like he's sort of doing this like cool thing. He's like da 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 like really like it's almost rap, but not like
He's
quite.
working on it.
He's working on it. But I really love the methodical way that the music is sort of built with Rainy Days. It's got this like really like sway back and forth. It's not R&B per se, like it doesn't have the same like bassy forward beat, but it's definitely it has that like methodical like you just like get lost in the music and I love it.
This felt so like too quick.
Oh, 100%. Both of them did.
And they're both like this one's like about 3 minutes and the other one is a little over three, like close to like 3.5 minutes.
Yeah.
So I'm
Too short.
excited. I'm excited.
I'm excited to see this whole album together.
Yeah, being able to listen to how he put the songs together,
Yes.
like in order.
Yeah.
and-
Yeah, I'm really looking forward, especially this title track. I'm really looking forward to listening to it in comparison to these two like first release tracks that we got.
yeah.
I can't wait. Like it's gonna be so good.
It's gonna be so good.
It's gonna be so good.
I can't wait.
I cannot wait. I'm so excited.
All right.
Ah.
So thank you guys for
Thank
watching. This was
you.
our reaction to both Love Me Again and Rainy Days by
Yeah.
V.
What did you guys think of these
let
two
us know in
songs?
the comments
Let us know
or
below.
on Instagram what your thoughts and reactions were. But otherwise, you know where to find us.
Yes,
It's all in the description down below.
sure is.
And we'll see you guys on Thursday.
See you guys on Thursday. Bye.